Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Monday, March 25th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a pretty decent little push up today, especially for a Monday. I think most likely this is going to be a wave A. I would expect that this is going to make some sort of a three-way pattern over the next few days. I expect to see like an ABC or maybe even a WXY. I think that this is a crescent to this move down. I believe this is like a 1. I believe this is going to be like a wave 2. Most likely it will go up to one of these 3 Fibonacci levels, break structure to the downside, ending this crescent and continuing the downtrend. So if we watch our Fibonacci's levels closely and we watch for that third wave end of a trend signal that we can definitely identify the end of if we know how, that will be a very nice sorting opportunity for what I think will be a wave 3, most likely a wave 3 of wave C based on the higher time frames. So don't forget to check out my Discord channel linked up here, and also don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.